Namaskar student. As you know that our PT1 exams is on 5th, starting on the 5th August. So today I am starting again chapter number 1 from your 9th class, French Revolution. Earlier we have discussed so many points in this chapter, and today's class I will explain the all topics with dates. There are some date mentioned on the whiteboard. So one by one we will discuss all points. Fine. So you can revise your all chapter easily. If you remember the dates, it is easy for you to keep that mind of what things happen after the incident. So first is the outbreak of revolutions. We have started the Bastille Fort, how the third estate people attack on the Bastille Fort on the 40th July 1789. Remember this date? So what was the circumstance behind this revolution? It is the starting date of the revolution. The revolution starts from the 1789. So we will discuss before the what happened before the 1789 and what happened after the 1789. So first date is 1774. Remember this dates just because the PT1 exams is on the basis of MCQs. So MCQs, especially in history, related with the dates. So you revise the all dates and keep that in mind. First date is 1774. Louis XVI become the king of France. Louis XVI जो है वो क्या बने? King बने. It was Louis XVI was from the Bourbon dynasty, and when he took the throne, the situations of that time France was not very good. They are in the debt, so many social division in the society. So when he became the king of France, so he faced so many problems. We have discussed the reasons of the what was the reason of revolution. Social divisions. The society was divided into three states. First state, second state, and third state. So so many things that the mismanage in the society, also in the political structure. The first state was related with the clergy group. Clergy means the people those who are associated with the church, and second was related to the nobility, noble family यानी कि which was related associated with the king and king family, and third was the common people, farmers, artisans, so many people, those who are. But what was the difference? The first state and second state does not pay any tax. Keep that this your mind, that what social division is not a big problem that time, but problem was that first state and second state both are not paying any tax. All tax paid by the third state. So situation of the third state was very poor. So it's the causes of this, the French Revolution occur on 40th July 1789. Second is 1789, and what was the recent reason? Louis XVI called the State General to be proposal for the new taxes. एक जो स्टेट जनरल है, जो पार्लियामेंट है फ्रांस की, उसको क्या कहते थे? स्टेट जनरल. तो मीटिंग बुलाई गई फॉर प्रपोजल फॉर द न्यू टैक्सेस, क्योंकि डेट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया था, कर्जा बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया था. देन न्यू टैक्स के लिए प्रपोजल रखा, तो जो थर्ड स्टेट था वो इससे एग्री नहीं था, उसने वॉकड आउट किया, और उसके बाद ये इंसिडेंट हुआ 40 जुलाई 1789. So what was the date when Louis XVI keep the proposal for new taxes? So answer will be 1789. Now next is date is 1791. Between this the Bristol Fort attack by the third state people, 40th July and 1789. And after the revolutions, the constitutional monarchy system was established in France. It means in this system, 1789 new constitution was introduced. According to this, the powers of the kings were reduced and some powers given to the executive, judiciary and legislature. So this was the main thing happened. Constitutional monarchy system established in 1791. After that we have discussed the topic, the reign of terror. Fine. So 1792 to 93, between 1 year, इन दोनों ये जो है 92 से 93 के बीच में फ्रांस अबॉलिश मोनार्की एंड बिकम अ रिपब्लिक. नाउ जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मोनार्की सिस्टम था वो क्या हो गया, अबॉलिश. इसमें हमने एग्जांपल्स किए थे रॉबेस्पियर, मैक्सिमिलियन जो जैकोबिन क्लब से था. ही वाज स्ट्रिक्टली अगेंस्ट फॉर द noble families and church. So France abolished monarchy when between 1792 to 93 and become the republic. अब देखिए सबसे पहले कौन सा था यहाँ पर जो फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट था, इट वाज मोनार्की. ठीक है. देन आफ्टर द 1791 it was constitutional monarchy system, and after that republic. So in the sequence in this particular French revolutions, the type of the government change. Fine. So first the monarchy system, then constitutional monarch in 1791, and after the 90 to 93 it was the republic government. Now 1793 to 94, remember this time just because so many things happened that time. reign of terror, टेरर होता है आतंक, बहुत भय. ठीक है. तो ये जो टाइम था, क्योंकि रॉबेस्पियर उस वक्त कहाँ पे था, पावर में था. And Robespierre followed a policy of self-control. He executed all the so-called the enemies of republic. जिससे भी उसे लगा कि जो है ना रिपब्लिक के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क नहीं कर रहा है या फिर रिपब्लिक का क्या एनिमी है, सो उसने कहाँ पे चढ़ा दिया, ग्लूटाइन पे. ग्लूटाइन की हमने बात की थी. ग्लूटाइन वॉज द डिवाइस इन विच 2 poles वर देयर एंड अ पर्सन विल बी beheaded. उसका गर्दन काट दी जाती थी डिवाइस से. और लास्ट में क्या हुआ, जब उसके ही फॉलोवर्स जो थे मैक्सिमिलियन रोबेस्पियर के, उसकी जो पॉलिसी से एग्री नहीं थे, तो उन्होंने ही उसको लास्ट में क्या कर दिया, ग्लूटाइन पर चढ़ा दिया. सो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग ऑल डेट्स. 1774 लुई 16 बिकम द किंग ऑफ फ्रांस. देन 1789 लुई 16 कॉल्ड द स्टेट जनरल टू द प्रपोजल फॉर न्यू टैक्सेस. बिटवीन दिस ब्रिस्टल फोर्ट अटैक इंसिडेंट्स हैपन on 40th July 1789. 1791, in France, constitutional monarchy systems established. Then 1792 to 93, France abolished the monarchy and become a republic. क्या बन गया, republic. Then 1793 to 94, reign of terror. Robespierre followed the policy of self-control. He executed all so-called the enemies of republic. जो भी उसे लगा कि एनिमी है रिपब्लिक का, काफी सारे स्टेप्स उठाए थे. इसका मैंने एक वीडियो भी बनाया था, मैं एक बार फिर से सेंड करूंगी. कि क्लर्जी जो है, नोबिलिटी, उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी उसे सीज कर दिया गया और उनके अगेंस्ट उसने, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहते थे कि दोबारा से कोई भी ऐसी जो पावर जो पहले मिला हुआ था वो पावर में आए. सो कीप दैट माइंड दिस ऑल डेट्स so you can understand the all topics sequence wise. So now student, next date of this chapter which is very important is the 1794. What happened in the 1794? 1794 France is governed by a directory. As you know, before the Legion of Terror, end of the Maximilian Robespierre, there is no any powerful ruler in the France. So they formed the directory of a committee of 5 members की committee बनाई गई. Those who look after the all political work of the France. Then in this sequence there were so many confusions and so many issues with the all directory members. So in this situation, the Napoleon Bonaparte, it is very important name of this chapter, he become the leader. And finally he was related to the army, and Napoleon Bonaparte, 1804. From 1799 to 1804 he took the leadership, and the people of France, they are very they want to a powerful leader, so they think it is the Napoleon Bonaparte, those who can give the strong political system in the France. So in 1804 Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself as the emperor of France. उसने अपने आप को क्या डिक्लेयर कर दिया? राजा. So again यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Monarchy. Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself as the emperor of France in 1804. After that, he took the so many battles with the neighboring country just because he was the military commander. उसका main aim क्या था? अपने empire को क्या बढ़ाना. तो कई सारे उन्होंने war किए, battles की, कई सारे battles में उन्होंने जीत भी हासिल की. But in the last battle, which took place in 1815, Napoleon was defeated at Waterloo. Waterloo एक जगह का नाम है जहां पर वो हार गया. And then एक और क्वेश्चन आता है स्लेवरी. स्लेवरी एक सिस्टम था जहां पर लोगों को दास बना के रखा जाता था. तो ये बहुत लंबा एक टाइम रहा, या ये कहें कि इवल रही फ्रांस में. फ्रांस में नहीं, हम पूरे यूरोप की बात करें तो स्लेवरी सिस्टम था, और कई बार उसको कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश भी की गई, लेकिन क्योंकि इसके बिना कहीं जो इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन था या फिर इंडस्ट्रीज के लोग थे, उन्होंने इसे क्या होने नहीं दिया इम्प्लीमेंट. और कई बार ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि जो स्लेवरी है, जो दास प्रथा थी, वो फ्रांस में कब अबॉलिश हुई, फाइनली कब अबॉलिश हुई. तो आंसर इज 1848. Finally the slavery system was abolished in France. So these are the some important dates which we have discussed today. So keep that in mind, all dates, and try to understand the all topics with the sequence wise. What happened after this date, what happened. So you can easily learn all chapter. Chapter is very long, I agree, but if you remember the dates, so it is very easy for you. So students, this is all about this revision work. I will continue the revision work with the next topic, in which I will discuss the some points. What is the role of women, and what is the slavery system, and so many things which was happened after the revolution. So students, thank you.